Volcanoes.
Classification of volcanoes. Active volcanoes. Erupt recently or expected to erupt soon, within the last 10,000 years. Found along tectonic plate boundaries, e.g. Pacific Ring of Fire. Examples: Mount Etna, Italy; Kilauea, Hawaii; Mount St. Helens, USA; Mount Fuji, Japan. Dormant volcanoes. Inactive but capable of future eruptions, e.g. Vesuvius, Mount Rainier. Often monitored for signs of activity. Example: Mount Vesuvius erupted after 1500 years of dormancy in 1631 AD. Extinct volcanoes. No longer expected to erupt. Identified by erosion, lack of activity, and solidified magma. Examples: Arthur's Seat, Scotland; Mount Warning, Australia. Causes of volcanism. Heat and pressure. High temperatures and pressure due to radioactive disintegration in Earth's interior. Surface water. Water entering Earth's crust turns into steam and causes eruptions. Plate tectonics. Movement and splitting of tectonic plates create fissures for magma to escape. World distribution of volcanoes. Pacific Ring of Fire. Includes ANZ, Central America, Japan, and New Zealand. Most active volcanic region globally. Mediterranean volcanic belt. Covers the Middle East to the Atlantic Ocean. Includes Mount Etna, Stromboli, and Vesuvius. Mid-Atlantic belt. Along the Mid-Atlantic ridge, known for fissure eruptions. Mid-continental belt. Includes Alps, Himalayas, and Aegean Sea volcanoes. Thank you for watching.